In this video, I'm going to show you how to add guitar in BandLab. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up your project. You can create one or just go into an existing project. And then here on the left, you want to click on Add a Track. Now, of course, the easiest way is just to click guitar over here, and then this will add the guitar in here. And then you can basically just add in a recording of a guitar. You can record it right here by clicking this button, and you can just add in the guitar. However, if you do not have a guitar, but you would still like to get some guitar sounds, here's what you can do. Now, I'm going to delete this, and you want to click on Add Track, and then you have Virtual Instruments. Now, once you click on this, as you can see over here, the default is going to be a keyboard and a Studio Grand. So what you can do is click on over here where it says Studio Grand, and then here on the left, you can see it says guitars. Click on that. And then up here, you have a bunch of different guitars. As you can see, there's actually a lot of them. And then you can just click on any of these guitars. So for example, acoustic guitar. And then, of course, it's going to set down here and it's going to change to whatever you chose. Now here you can just play the track as well so we can hear what that sounds. Like this, as you can see, so it's quite nice. And then once you've added this down here, you can now use it as a keyboard, but essentially it's going to be just like a guitar string. So listen to this. There we go. As you can see, we've now kind of added in the guitar, and then you can make whatever you want with this. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.